Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the glass shelf that sits on the pantry drawers in your fridge. The reason why you might have to do this is because the shelf is cracked or damaged. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the refrigerator we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Maytag, and keep in mind yours at home might be a little bit different than what we have here, but the same technique should still apply. So the first thing we're going to do is open up our fridge. And now I'm going to take drawers out, and those just slide straight out. And now we're going to take this shelf out carefully. This shelf is just a glass shelf, so we don't want to drop it or damage it in any way. Now we'll take out the middle shelf support. There we go. And so now that we've got all that stuff out of the way, we can get to our bottom glass shelf here. And to get it out, I'm just going to pull this drawer out slightly, reach in and push up, and then just carefully slide that glass shelf out of its place. And once we get it out a certain amount, we can just angle it up so it'll fit out of the doors. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement glass shelf, and if you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. And now we're going to put our shelf in, so we're just going to angle it slightly so it fits in between the doors here. And once we get it in, nice and gently, we'll set it down onto the support here, and we'll bring it back all the way back. And there's a notch right there, which you'll see that the glass sits on, and then it just slides into place. And I'll just close this drawer up, put the rest of everything back in. Now we'll put our shelf back into place. And you're going to want to make sure that the rounded end that has the cutout back here goes towards the back. And once you've got it in place, it should sit on both the supports on either end. And now we can put our glass shelf back into place. Just angling it because the doors are wide. And once you've got it in there, gently set it on the shelf, just like that. Now we're going to put our crisper drawers back in. And what you're going to want to do is just make sure the wheels on either side line up with the track there so it slides in nice and easy. Same thing on this side. I'm just lining up those wheels with the track. And you'll see right there it wasn't lined up, so it didn't go in. We'll try it again. And there we go. Now we can close our refrigerator doors. And your repair is complete. So what do you get from a pampered cow? Spoiled milk. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.